Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margaret. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe by tapping on that subscribe button below. From red, it will turn gray once you've successfully subscribed, and tap on that notification bell as well so that you will be aware of new uploads. Today, I'll be giving an honest review of a product sent to me by Elle Luxuriant, and it's a rejuvenating set. So I'll be giving my review on each product that I tried out. They actually sent me the soap, which I already removed from the package, of course. It's a kojic glutathione soap, and they also sent me two kinds of creams. One is a Derma night cream, the other one is a sunblock SPF 30, and their toner. So if you're curious as to how the results were, please continue watching. So first, I'm gonna be talking about their soap. So their soap is color orange. So I'll be showing a picture somewhere here. And it's made up of kojic dipalmitate, refined coconut oil, alpha-arbutin, glutathione, papain, marine collagen, and tranexamic acid. So I'm not really sure why, but it kind of stings when you apply it on the face. But I think that's the reason behind the effective peeling to their product. So if you can see, my face is kind of shiny, dewy. It really improved actually. I have a downside of it, but I'm gonna be talking of the pros first because I really feel na ang lakas talagang maka-fresh ng product na ito. After you take a bath, let's say for example, after you take a bath, you wash your face with this Derma glutathione soap that they have, and then wipe it dry, of course. After that, you apply their Derma facial toner. Sorry for the background noise. You apply their Derma facial toner, which is made up of papain, cucumber extract, carrot root extract, vitamin B3, sugarcane distillate, and hydrogenated castor. So I just noticed that everything seems to be organic or natural ingredients. I didn't know that. So I've been using this for a week and I just knew that it's somehow made up of natural ingredients. So you use this twice daily. So every morning when you wake up, perhaps, because I take a bath at night, or somehow my routine changed when the pandemic started. I always took a bath around afternoon, around nighttime. But yeah, so since it's recommended to be used twice a day, you wash your face with the soap, you use the toner in the morning, and after the toner, you can apply sunblock SPF 30. And this is a 60 ml tub. Be careful, by the way. When I first used their sunblock, I think I did it a little too much. So I felt that I did it too much and I was wearing foundation. So when you're using their sunblock SPF 30, just apply a very minimal amount. So this is how their cream looks like. It's white, right? So just tap it, and that would be enough for your forehead, and then another one for your cheeks, nose, and then your chin. Not too much. If you apply too much, it will really appear very white. So in the afternoon, I have the second routine because of course morning and then afternoon. I don't really do it at night. Okay, so in the afternoon around 4 o'clock, I take a bath, and then afterwards I do the routine again, wash my face with the Derma glutathione soap, and then afterwards I apply this again on cotton and then apply it on my full face. So right now guys, I'm not wearing any powder, any BB cream whatsoever. I just follow the routine. I wash my face after bath, apply the toner, and then since it's almost nighttime, I applied the Derma night. So I'm gonna be showing the Derma night cream to you. It's a cream which is a bit yellowish in color. Okay, yellowish white. That's how I see it. I don't really know the ingredients to their Derma night cream because it's not indicated in their label. But I'm gonna be talking about the price. Okay, if you buy the whole set, it's 420 pesos. But if you're gonna buy it individually, this is going to be 150, 150, 150. And they did not really indicate the price of their soap in the page, in their Facebook page. But if you buy the whole set, including the soap, it's worth 420 pesos. So that saves you 30 pesos if you buy 3 of them, and then mahulog na, free ra ang sabon. So that's how their set works. Okay? And what I noticed though, the downside is around, so I had peeling after 4 days. Noticed micro peeling. So meaning mga gamay ra kayong peeling, di kayo siya kanang murag ka ng sunburn effect gani. So remember, if you have sunburn, I'm gonna show it to you. There, that sunburn. And when you peel, if you have sunburn, it's going to be very uneven. But if you take a look at my face, so if you try to compare it to my skin right now, I have sunburn on my whole body and it looks that dark. And I have been using this for a week and it looks this fair. I'm not gonna say white. It looks this fair. And yes, it will give you a dewy, fresh look, like a glass skin, Korean glass skin. But take note, every rejuvenating set, every brand differs. Depending on the product and the ingredients they use, the effect to your face will be different. So after using this Elle Luxuriant Rejuvenating Set for a week, I noticed that my skin improved. You can see it from the video. I also got 3 pimples here after using it for a week. Well, I'm not judging the products because remember, if you use a new set of product, your face, your skin will adjust again. I haven't been using this before. So before I only used Kojic soap and then the usual facial scrub that I use. I'm gonna be dropping the brand, which is Pure Active Garnier. I've been using it for years already and it has been very great to my skin. So I never changed it. But now I've tried Elle Luxuriant and well, you can look at my face. You can see my face. I took before pictures here and I'll be showing it to you. And right now, this is my skin. I even took a snip of my gaming... I even took a snip of my stream a while ago because I really felt that, wow, grabe ha, fresh kay ko tanawon. Even if I wasn't really able to take a bath yet this morning, I really looked fresh. And that's the good side of this Elle Luxuriant Rejuvenating Set. I love this rejuvenating set actually. Aside from the pimples though that I had, overall face really improved skin wise. If you can see, oh, sinaw-sinaw siya and it's fair, it's even. So whenever you apply the products, make sure you apply it in the whole face, including your ears, including your neck and at the back of your neck. Okay? So I think that's going to be it. Just make sure you follow the flow, and if you think your face needs to rest, okay, especially when you're peeling in day 4, you need to put a day's rest to your face so that it won't really irritate kay basin mamuwa siya samot and whatsoever. So I rested for a day, continued it again the other day, and this is my face right now. So thank you so much, Elle Luxuriant, for giving me a free set to try out your products, and I really thank you so much. This is my face now. So I just used lipstick today and eyeliner and nothing on my face really except their products. So mo ni ang effect, guys. Mo na siya. So thank you so much once again, Elle Luxuriant. You can find them in Facebook. I can put in their Facebook page in the description box, no problem with that. So once again, 150, 150, 150. I really don't know the price of the soap. It's not indicated in their Facebook page, but if you buy the whole set, it's 420 pesos. Elle Luxuriant Rejuvenating Set. So there you have it, guys. That's my honest review of the whole set that they gave me. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for your support. I hope to see you in my next vlog, and please don't forget to subscribe. And if you're watching this from Facebook, don't forget to like and follow my page to see more of my reviews and my travels. Thank you so much for watching this video again. See you in my next vlog, lovies. Bye!
1, 2, 3, funky.
My darling, I love you.